property or have a new child, you can have your will updated at no cost for you. Now, everything I've mentioned up until now is unlimited. The rest, these two have a scheduled number of hours. If you're ever audited, you'll have up to 50 hours of a tax attorney's time to assist you with that. And if you're ever sued, you'll have a trial attorney providing up to 300 hours of lawsuit defense without you ever having to pay even for their parking. Now, this is the only benefit that has a waiting period. As long as you've been a member for at least 90 days, you can get free representation for all those uncontested family issues like divorce, separation, adoption, and name change. Now, would you agree with me that sometimes bad things will happen to good people? But if you notice that they rarely happen between the hours of 9 to 5, if it's after hours and you have an emergency situation, maybe you're being arrested or you're seriously injured in a car accident late at night, or maybe on Christmas Day, the neighbors hear your kids screaming they're so excited about their new toys, but they think you're beating them. Well, that's an emergency situation if CPS, Child Protective Services, shows up at your door on Christmas to take your kids away from you. Well, you don't wait till Monday for these emergencies. There's a red button on the app that'll connect you to an attorney within 3 minutes. And everything I've mentioned up until now is covered with no additional copayment. I mean, you don't even have to pay for the stamp that goes on those envelopes when they write a demand letter for you. When they go to court and fight lawsuits and traffic tickets, you don't even have to pay for their parking. Now, can we cover everything under the sun with no additional cost? No. You want to think of legal